So I'm going to be exploring northern Nigeria's hidden secret. It's the RURUM Dam. This dam has served a very important part for the entire state and effectively for the entire region. Would you believe this water dam we're looking at serves the entire state of Kano State? So we're going to be learning more about it today and discovering a lot about it. I want to make this water so vibrant. At its peak, it covers and overspills into different roads. And whenever it's down, during the down season, the water is still a massive piece of body. So let's go inside and see what this place has to offer and what's behind these rich ancient waters. Kano State is filled up with secrets. The rocks are beautiful, ancient traditions. They have so many things going on, and I'm excited about showing you guys this part today. So let's go check it out. Welcome to my channel, guys. If this is your first time, and if it's the second time, thanks a lot for returning. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel as it helps you grow. When I was told there was a beach in Kano State, I thought it was some form of prank. I even laughed about it until I read about a Tiger Dam in RURUM, Kano. It's one of the largest man-made lakes in the country. We're about 2 hours away from the main city, passing through some rural roads in inner Kano. The sights of villages and herdsmen rearing their cows going through the road. We stopped by Kano, which is the second largest city in Kano State. Our car bumper came off and we were able to get someone to fix it. Coming from Lagos, a 90-minute drive is usually a nearby place, but in Kano State, you're looking at over 90 kilometers away from the core city. The locals take advantage of this water. I'm seeing some bike men here who are washing their clothes, and there are different stands here as well. Okay, so let's see if we can get close to the water. And so Nigerians have a very different relationship with camera due to our history, military rules and stuff like that. So people tend to shy away from cameras. So you need to be sensitive to that. As we got into the quiet town of RURUM, I could tell we're about to see something fascinating with fishermen boats floating on the lake. Tiger Dam is not a well-visited site as we could count the number of people that we saw around there. So what's Tiger Dam? Tiger Dam is in Kano State in the northwest of Nigeria. It was constructed in 1971 to 1974. It's a major reservoir on the Kano River, the main tributary to the Adijia River. The dam was built during the administration of Governor Audu Bako in an attempt to improve food security through irrigation projects. The dam covers an area of 178 square kilometers with a maximum capacity of 2 million cubic meters. Water from the dam supplies the Kano River irrigation project as well as the Kano city. This dam was meant to benefit two groups of the rural people living around the area. One group found downstream, which is to benefit through irrigation facilities made available for the development of agriculture. The other group is made up of the people who were displaced and have to move to a new environment to settle in and make out a living. So best believe this dam has been in existence for over 100 years, and tourists come from different parts of the country. Obviously with the insecurity in the north, tourism has reduced, but still it's a wonderful place to visit. I've been wowed by what I've seen so far. You see animals, they even have lots of tables pavilions for tourists to stay, and that's what makes it super beautiful. The road there was amazing. You can see the local people being themselves. My friend I came in with said, you won't believe we have a beach in Kano, because I mean they have their own. I'm from Lagos, and obviously Lagos is a coastal city, so there's access to big beaches and whatnot. But here they have their own little waves and little beaches. So my friend was making fun about telling me that, oh, Kano, we also have our own beach here, that we can't rub it in their face because we're from Lagos and whatnot. So this is really fascinating.
I think it's a place you should visit. I can imagine you here at night, you just having a good time, relax with friends, loved ones. You're going to love it here, absolutely. So let's go ahead and see what Mike can discover about this place.
The impact of the movement of the rural people didn't go down as planned. It led to severe problems for people who got into new locations, who were not able to maneuver around or establish themselves successfully. This also led to more people moving to Kano city proper. One of the key reasons for establishment of this dam was to ensure there was water all year round. But this also led to a problem. Whenever it was rainy season, there was an excess abundance of water, which instead of helping farmers, constituted problems for farmers, as waters will now consume crops and effectively make land unviable for the people. The existence of this large man-made lake led to a concentration risk, as most of the farming activities of the state relies on this lake. So effectively, if anything affects this lake, the entire state, even the entire northern region, is going to feel an impact, which led to lots of concerns, alongside overpouring of the dam and monopoly of this lake as a source of water. More problems sought to arise.
So there used to be schools here before, but they're no longer functional because, like I said, this place used to be a very busy place. But these schools are now empty and there's nothing going on there right now. It's a reminder of the impact of insecurity on this region. But let's see if there's anything we can learn about the school and just walk around slightly. So it's about 10 staircases to get there. To be honest, I think this, maybe they wanted to convert it to an hotel because the view from here, okay, God forgive me, is just too awesome for a school. So you can imagine an hotel here with you having this 180-degree view of the entire city. It's gonna be really amazing. So let's climb up the rock and stay around here. Okay, so the school, you can definitely tell this is an old school. Let's see, wow. The door is locked, the buildings are collapsed. So much tourism potential that could have been used to generate something, but insecurity has played a major role in destruction of education in Nigeria. And this school is a classic example because this has everything to attract students to come and learn and be better people. But for some reason, it's not that way. So it's rather sad. But you can see old buildings. The foundations are still pretty much solid. There's actually 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps, and then you can see inside the school. The fences are broken now, but nonetheless, you could have imagined how grand it was during its prime. So let's take a look at RURUM Dam and see more things we can learn about it.
The dam was created at first to solve a problem. However, it led to more problems. Hence, the river basin management took a decision to shut down this dam. The farmers around the area which planted tomatoes and rice complained of potential food shortage. They suffered during the wet season. Now they don't have water available during the dry season. The dam has been currently shut and is not serving any purpose. However, it's a beauty to behold, and I think tourism could be the next thing that can be used to generate income off this amazing beach in Kano State. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.